Today, I'll show you how to delete files in Google Docs. If you've got old documents cluttering up your account, or you just want to stay organized, knowing how to remove files quickly and safely can really help. We'll go step by step, keeping things simple and clear so you can follow along on your own screen. First, you'll need to open Google Docs. The easiest way to do this is by going to your web browser and navigating to the Google Docs homepage. Make sure you're signed in with the Google account that holds the documents you want to delete. If you use multiple accounts, double check that you're in the right one, because the documents available will depend on which account is currently active. Once Google Docs is open, you'll see a grid or list of your recent documents, along with any files you've created or that have been shared with you. Take a moment to scroll through this main page and locate the document you want to delete. If you have a lot of files and can't find it right away, you can use the search bar at the top of the screen. Just type in part of the document's name or a word you know appears in the title and wait for the results to show up. This can save you a lot of time, especially if your document list is long. So when you've found the document you want to remove, look for the small icon with 3 vertical dots next to it. On some layouts, this menu appears when you hover over the document with your mouse. Move your cursor over the file, then find and click those 3 dots. This opens a small menu of options for that specific document. In this menu, you'll see several choices, such as opening the document, renaming it, or moving it to a folder. What you're looking for here is the option labeled Remove. And go ahead and click Remove. As soon as you do this, the document will disappear from your main Google Docs list. At this point, the file is not completely gone forever. Instead, it's moved to the trash associated with your Google Drive account. This is helpful in case you delete something by mistake and need to get it back later. If you realize you removed the wrong document, you can go to Google Drive, open the trash section, and restore it from there as long as it hasn't been permanently deleted. If you're sure you no longer need the document, you can leave it in the trash, and it will eventually be cleaned out according to your account settings. For most people, using the Remove option from that 3-dot menu in Google Docs is all you need to keep your workspace tidy and focused on the files that still matter. So to recap in a smooth flow, open Google Docs, find the document you want to delete, click the 3 dots next to it, and select Remove. Follow these steps anytime you want to quickly clean up old or unused documents from your account.